I feel like a hero, but heroes need a villain.
We slept at a gas station near the ferry terminal. We got woken up with hundreds of sprinter vans at the gas station. So we decided to get up and start driving towards the terminal since we were already awake. As we got closer to the ferry terminal, we started seeing more and more camper vans doing the exact same thing we are doing. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Right now we're waiting at the ferry line and we're gonna go to Barcelona from Tangier in Morocco. When we got to the port, we had to line up again to get our tickets. My dad went out to line up as we stayed in the van. That way we would stay safe away from COVID. The ticket line took hours. Okay, right now we are driving to our G&V.
We got tickets.
Yeah, we got tickets for that ferry. Humongous ferry. Yeah, don't lose them.
Over the wings.
After getting our tickets, we had to line up again to go through security and custom checks. A huge X-ray machine scanned YOLO while we waited outside.
When I don't have a stamp left to my name, and I don't have much time to say, when everything's a mess, I guess that they'll just have to bet that I'm scared.
Okay, right now, the security guys of the ferry are just scanning our car, so right now we're just inside the car waiting as they check the roof area. Are you excited to go back to Spain, Europe? Yeah. We're in the ferry, we're off Morocco! Bye, Morocco!
Some days I feel like a hero, but heroes need
After
a
we
villain.
parked, we grabbed clothes, food, and everything else we needed for a 2-day ferry. We would not be able to see YOLO until we get to Barcelona.
Okay, so we're looking for room 5119. Here, have 119.
When we got to the cabin, we wiped everything before we entered and made ourselves comfortable.
Oh, there you go. Yay! Okay, what are you doing, Sarah? Okay, yeah, I already wiped it. We're wiping our little cabin.
I see breathing in the dark. We'll build a
Hi everybody! We're on a ferry to Barcelona, Spain. Just left Morocco over there, Africa.
How long did you stay there?
5 months. About 5 months. And right now, we are just right next to the Gibraltar Strait, which we hiked a couple months ago.
And what's that? Remember? So we're going to somewhere further off the coast to?
Barcelona, a different part of Spain.
How long are you going to be here for? On the ferry?
2 days. 2 days. 1 night and 2 days. Yeah.
Walking around in our ferry.
We stayed in our cabin for most of the trip. A couple times we went out for a walk to get fresh air. We were very careful not to touch things and to stay away from people. Hi everyone. The ferry's about to dock in a couple of hours, but there's a destination. We can see Barcelona. We're down in the basement of the ferry and we're getting to our car. right now we're getting out of the ferry.
Hero, but heroes need a villain. And I have only friends. And I don't have a stamp left to
Okay, we're slowly going out of the ferry.
hear what I say when everything's returned. I guess that they'll just have to burn. But I'm scared of fire. Yeah, I'm scared of fire. And this
Okay, right now there has been a confusion. Spain is not accepting us to go inside, so they gave us two options: stay with the police for 3 days and go back to Morocco, or just go to Italy through the boat, same boat that we took to come here.
our plane so we can see from miles away.
We're walking down the halls inside the ferry again, looking for our room number 6196. We were sent back inside the ferry because Spain won't accept us. And yeah, so we're going to Italy, 6196 now. And Max is gonna open the door.
I don't have much time to say when everything's a mess.
Now we have to clean our new cabin again.
I'll just have to bet that I'm scared of fire. Yeah, I'm
Okay, there's Genoa, Italy. The ferry's gonna dock there soon, and it's gonna be our second attempt trying to get to Europe, because our first attempt was in Spain, and they didn't really let us in because specific rules. And so hopefully we can get on to Genoa, and yeah, hopefully we can get on so I can eat gelato. Yummy
What?
gelato. So I can eat gelato. Yummy. Bye. Okay, so right now the van is moving. We're in the front because we came in last with the situation back there, but so we're the first ones to go out. So right now we're driving.
I say when everything's returned. I guess that they'll just have to burn. But I'm scared of fire.
Okay, so we signed all the documents that needed to be signed and all the immigration stuff, and we finally got inside Europe. We have German buddies here that were helping us. So my dad just came in running where's the best gelato place, and then everyone was like, "Oh, you made it inside Italy!" And then we're all excited. Yeah, we finally made it in.
We'll build a sunroof for our plane so we can see from miles away.
After almost 3 days of traveling from Morocco to Italy, we are back on land to continue our trip. It has been a stressful time with all the new rules and border controls. Thank you to all our friends who have helped us during this difficult time. We are back on the road again. Wait for our next episode as we start to explore Italy